In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see your appointments on Calendly with our full 2025 guide. If you're looking to manage your schedule efficiently and never miss an important meeting, you're in the right place. We'll walk through each step clearly, making sure you get the most out of Calendly's features. First things first, let's get started by navigating to Calendly's website. Open up your preferred web browser and type in calendly.com. Once you're there, you'll want to log into your account. If you're not already familiar, Calendly is a powerful scheduling tool that simplifies the process of setting up meetings by coordinating everyone's availability effortlessly. Once you're logged in on the homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Now direct your attention to the menu on the left side of the screen. You'll see several options here, but our focus today is on the meeting section. Go ahead and click on Meetings. This is where all your scheduled interactions are conveniently centralized, making it easy for you to keep track of what's coming up next. After clicking on Meetings, you'll be presented with a list of your various meeting types. This is a great organizational feature, allowing you to differentiate between different kinds of appointments you might handle, whether they're consultations, interviews, or personal catch-ups. Go ahead and select the type you're interested in reviewing. This will direct you to a detailed view of your scheduled events. As you dive deeper into these meetings, it's essential to know how to access specifics about each appointment. To do this, you will want to click on Details. This clickable option provides comprehensive information about each appointment. Here, you can see when and with whom the meeting is scheduled, alongside any other pertinent details like notes or reminders you'd previously set up. And that's essentially how you can effortlessly view and manage your appointments on Calendly. This process ensures you're always in the loop about what meetings are on your calendar, empowering you to manage your time effectively. Whether you're a busy professional juggling multiple appointments or someone keen on organizing their personal engagements with ease, mastering these steps in Calendly can dramatically enhance your productivity. Remember, staying organized is key in today's fast-paced world, and tools like Calendly make it much simpler to stay on top of your schedule. With practice, these steps will become second nature. Keep exploring the various features Calendly offers to optimize how you schedule and view appointments. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide helps you streamline your scheduling process in 2025.